Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is about putting smart fill to the back of the page. I never really thought about it because I've never put lines. So earlier today, I was making a tessellation. I put yellow and it gets rid of the line. So what I was doing, I was actually taking this line, and it is a line. You can see it's a 2-point line. I was going to object and convert it outline to an object, and then it does not fill it in. And a viewer subscriber gave me a eye-opening tip, basically. It's very true. Just take the Smart Fill tool, fill it in, and then hold down the shift key. In this case, you have to select both of them. Hold down the shift key, which you're selecting the two objects of Smart Fill, and then go to object order front of back of page, and then your line shows through. It really helped quite a bit and be a lot faster because I was putting quite a few lines in like the teeth and his hair of this tessellation. And if you didn't watch the tessellation, feel free to search them. If you did watch them, I'm sorry. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.